Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So Themba, who is reportedly broke, was busy performing on stage, and there's a lady, I'm guessing that lady is Mpho fan, who is busy shouting to Themba, trolling him, saying that he chowed Mpho 2 million rands and dumped her. She's busy saying that Themba heard Mpho. Themba has recently received a lot of hate from Mpho fans after Mpho revealed that she's been receiving death threats from his friend Udokta and his family. Themba did nothing to protect Mpho, you guys. Now, the comment section were busy accusing Themba, saying that the way that he was dancing, it looks like he is under the influence of something. Drugs. Guys, please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so.